Welcome to Assemble Takeoff and Estimating. Here is your project dashboard. You can create a new project or a new folder. Simply upload any set of construction drawings and you'll be ready to do your first takeoff. Assemble is automatically set as 1 is to 100 on the scale. It's important to check your scale before you start your takeoff. Best practice is to double check and ensure that the scale is right. Simply select the length tool, go to a known length on the plan, click to start, double click to finish, and if the measurement matches what's on the plan, you know you're off to a good start. Now let's get into using the tools. For the length tool, you can measure any length on a set of plans. If you've already got your groups and categories created, you can just click the length tool and select from the drop-down menu. Click to start, click to drop a marker and change direction, and double-click to finish the measurement. If you're adding into a group, you can see the sum total of all of your measurements in the measurements drawer in the top right. You can check the box to add additional parameters. For the length tool, you can add things like height and width to get volume or your meters squared, or if you're measuring an area, you can add a depth to get your volume. For the area, let's start with rectangle. That's simply click, drag, and drop, and you can get the area of any shape that is symmetrical. Or you can use the polygon tool, which works the same as the length tool. Click to start, click to drop a marker to change direction, and double click to finish. Again, if you're using groups, you will see the sum total of all of your measurements in the measurements drawer. Using the count tool, you can count anything you can think of. Doors, electrical sockets, data points, vents, windows, whatever it is that's on the plans, you can count them here and have a tally of everything you'll need to complete the job. Use the annotation feature to make notes on the plans. This will come in handy when you're giving them to clients or subcontractors or even people within your organization to make sure that everything is being followed to the letter of the plans. Once you're happy you've done your material takeoff, you can download all of your measurements as well as the marked up PDFs, which you can send to clients and subcontractors as well. That was a quick flavor of all that's available on the Assemble Takeoffs and Estimating system. Jump in, start your 14-day free trial, and if you have any questions, we are on hand in the bottom right-hand corner in the chat bot.